Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you so much for being patient with me. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. So today I have an amazing feature on Canva that I'm going to show you how to use it. It's so amazing. It's going to help you to present your presentation and have a link created just for people. If you have a client, if you're a VA, if you're a freelancer, or if you're someone who uses Canva a lot, you'll understand that there's some ways you can create templates, you can create all these presentations, and you need a link for it for people to view it. So if you want people to check your work, then follow me through. So now the first thing is first, I'm going to use the project that I already created so that it can be easy and it can save us so much time so that we don't have to keep on going through the same thing over and over. So now I'm going to go to my projects and I'm going to pick the right one. This is a travel pack that I have created. So if also you want someone to help you create a travel pack, I'm here for you. Please feel free to follow me, to call me up and follow my email. I'm going to show you my travel pack. I'm going to create a travel pack for you. And also, if you would like to have the same template or the same the same travel pack for yourself, you want to edit it to your own liking, please leave a link to in the description below so that you can use it to edit it to your own liking. Now without saying so much, let's get right into the video. So you can see this icon right here, it's saying present. So we are going to click on it and you can do the present full screen, where it will show you how your screen looks like when it's full. So you can use this arrow to move to the left and then it's going to move to your right. It's going to show you like the entire view of your whole screen, how it looks like, right? Amazing. So now there's also this for zooming in and for zooming out. If you want to zoom out or if you want to zoom in, you can do that. There's this one for shortcuts if you want to do the drum rolls, if you want to do, you see, the confetti, if you want to do the bubbles. Like, it has a lot. That's amazing. It has a quiet, it has the blur if you want to blur it. Just like, there's amazing things that you can do. Just look at that. There's the mid crop, there's mid drop. Just look at that. I love the drum rolls. Everything that works here, then you can always go back. Amazing. So those are the shortcuts if you want to use them. And then there's also this one for interactive question and answers. You can do a Canva live if you want to do it. It's just so amazing. You can start your session or you can hide it if you don't want to. Then there's also this one right here where you can either start autoplay, you can hide the magic cursor, you can edit the lives, you can share the remote, you can show timer, it's just there. Then you can escape. Then we come back to now the main theme of this video, which is how to record and present your presentation. So you're going to click here. There's this button right here that pops up. You remember in OBS you have to create your own circle, create where your picture will be. For Canva, they have already created it for you and they have already specifically put it where it will be. So when you're presenting your videos, sorry for that, it's just amazing. So you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to go to recording studio, where there's a camera setup and a microphone. So this is where you're going to set up your camera and your microphone. If you want to show your face here, you can just click on here and you can put the face HD. If you don't want to show your face, no camera, that's amazing. Then you come here, choose your microphone, the one that you have. So for me, I'll choose this one right here. Then it's as easy as that. Then you start recording. So it's gonna count down to 1. Once you're there, here, this is where your picture will be. So this is where your camera will be. So if you're doing you want to show your face, it's going to show your camera. And here there's a timer, an important factor. Timer, like there's no any other app that shows you how much time you've used. Of course there are so many, but for this Canva, like, it's free. This is so amazing. It shows you how many seconds or how many minutes your recording is gonna run to. Then here we have the pause and the recording button. So if you want to pause, you can just pause and just at least maybe get water or do something, you can pause, and then you can also resume your presentation. Once you're done with it, you can use these arrows to move to the next slide, and it will take you to the up to the last slide. Once you're done, you end the recording. Excuse me, guys. You can record, you can, you have this one is your link. So this link here is you are going to copy it and paste it on your Canva folders. So when somebody asks you for a link, or you want to share the link with somebody, you can just go on ahead and do it. Or if you don't like the recording that you just recorded, you can discard here. You delete the recording, and then you you go back to editing, and you continue editing. So once you continue your recording, you start, it gives you this option right here. Then there's this one that I had forgotten. So here, this is where you write your notes. And the good thing about the note thing is you have a maximum of 5,000 words. Like, isn't that just so amazing? Like, who does that? Notes 5,000? Canva? Oh, Canva made it. So you come here, you can write as many notes as you want, up to 5,000. Then you can put it to the normal text, or you can decrease it or increase it using the this button right here and the positive button. And then once you're done, you just say done. Your notes are there. Then you click to the next. You can either click on it, or you can use these arrows to move the cursor to the last slide. Then once you're done with your slides, you just click end recording. And as I told you, we had deleted them, we are discarded, but right now we want to save it. You can copy this link to your browser. Anyone with this link can view. You don't need sign in. If you've used Canva for a long time, you know sometimes there are links that you don't need to sign. You just have to put the link somewhere, and then someone will use it. Discarding is this. Then you can save and exit. If you don't, you just save it, it's gonna go to the folders. And if you want to download it, it will go to your documents or to your downloads. And once you're done, that's it. You have your presentation. You can share it with people that you want to share it with. It's just so amazing. Like, Canva has made it. So feel free to share with us some of the amazing features that you found within Canva. For me, that is just one of the amazing features that I know. I know so many things that are happening in Canva, and I love them. But for this is just so wonderful for me, because I like creating presentations, and this has just made work easier and things easier for me. So, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Please feel free to share it with friends who need it, the VAs, the freelancers who need it. It will be useful to them. And if you've used this feature and there are so many things that we haven't discussed here, please feel free also to share it in the comment section. Love you guys. Until my next video, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.